everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and I love my Ray-Ban Classic Aviator sunglasses. They just fit so nicely on my face, and I am so pleased with how they look. These are gold tone, and the warmth of the gold tone just brightens my face. It looks so nice against my skin, and this size is the 58 millimeter. So I don't feel like they get lost on my face or they're too big and overwhelming. The nose pads are comfortable. They offer UV protection, and the lens is so clear to look through. The quality is superb, just like you expect from Ray-Ban. These Ray-Ban Classic Aviator sunglasses are a stylish and comfortable way to protect my eyes. And that's my point of view.